Yo, what's up everybody? It is your boy, Brandon. That's me. Hello, welcome to another video today. As it gets colder and colder outside and we start going into the colder months, we're trying to find different things to do, especially, with us having, so much going on like the cold and COVID and everything. It's time to learn, it's time to get a little bit creative. So, with having a studio, you definitely want to start finding ways, start branching out, start finding little things to do in your studio that's going to make your, creativity just come to life. So this is what I was looking for. This is actually called a Hygienas RGB video light, like a RGB LED stick. I've been looking for one of these so much because I really wanted to use them, and I finally found them. These things are absolutely amazing. It has about 9 different video color modes, and it's absolutely incredible. So today we're going to put it in a photo shoot today. We're going to use a couple of modes in it and see how it looks. Try to add a little bit of creativity to your studio light. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and then at the end of the video I'll show you where you guys can get these. And guys, tell me how they look in the video. See you in a minute. Yeah.
And I know times like this you just take it slow. I fall asleep in the pillows. She got my heart in a chokehold. And there she goes, heart that pounds like a stereo. You take me round and round like the merry-go. But one more ride, baby, here we go.
Okay, so to add to the effect of the lights, I took this little turquoise LED light, RGB light that I had, and I'm going to place this right slightly behind the model's head for just a small little turquoise halo effect. Okay, so as we go through and we prepare to change our lights, I just wanted to definitely say shooting with LED lights, there's a freedom in it because you're able to just go through and create and shoot and still have a consistent light on your model, being able to change as you go forward. But one of the biggest things about shooting with LEDs is your model. Your model has to be able to have that character. They got to be able to bring out the poses and the facial expressions when you're shooting with color. That's what makes color pop. That's what makes LEDs pop.
She got my heart in a chokehold.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is move to a different colors on the LED. We're going to start using a green and a yellow to see how this complements each other and complements the model skin tone. I'm also going to add a Explorer 400, and I have a snoot on the end of the Explorer 400 just to throw light right into her face. I don't want her face too green and I don't want it too yellow, so I wanted to add just a little clearness to her face. So I went ahead and added a snoot to it, and let's see what kind of pictures that we got. Okay, so now we're going to move on from the green to the blue combination to an all blue combination with a red halo effect in the background. And I really kind of like this setup also. But these lights are really so powerful, man. You can get so many creative shots with these things. So we're going to check out a few here, and then we're going to move on to the next session.
I sound psycho, where did my mind go? Used to be red hot, guess we went ice cold. And I know, you might misunderstand. Don't misunderstand me. I love you, but I don't like you. I don't like you, I don't like you. It sucks to say it, but it's true. I don't like you, I don't like you.
Okay, for our last set of shots, we're going to use the negative VFLATs. We're going to take the 400 Pro and put a 34-inch beauty dish on it, and we're going to put it over the model's head, kind of slanted so we can get a little halo effect on the negative VFLATs. And we're going to do a few hair flips. I'm also going to incorporate my new preset that I've been working on called Dark Room. Check it out.
3, 2, I know you might misunderstand. Don't misunderstand me. I love you, but I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. It sucks to say it, but it's true. I don't like you. I don't like you.
Yeah, but when you forgot like your face and you was like down here and stuff. So when you do it, just you know what I'm saying? Just try to keep that. Okay, guys, as I was telling the model, a really important fact. If the model is doing a hair flip or any type of movement that's going to cause them to throw themselves off, you want to make sure they understand how to keep their facial expression in the pose through the action that they're doing. Really important to keep your face.
Stuck in a cycle, where did the time go? Used to be on top, but down we spiral. And I know, it don't feel like it should.
You're probably gonna face this way, and then do it like this way. So okay, so you want to do it forward? Okay, all right, cool. Let's see how that looks. Okay, guys, so we went ahead and decided to change up the hair flip a little bit to get a little bit different dynamic. So we're gonna go ahead and do the hair flip from the front now, and the model is gonna flip her hair backwards away from the camera, and I think it came out amazing. Actually, bring your chin down a little bit more. Right there, that's what I need. There it is. Open. Here. Good. There we go. That's it. That's it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
After everything we've been through, I love you, but I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. Love you, but I don't like you. Don't like you. Don't like you. Love you, but I don't like you. Don't like you. Don't like you. Love you, but I don't like you.
What's up, everybody? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We had an amazing time in this shoot. We was able to do some incredible things. The studio got a little wet, but that's okay. Kira came through and killed it. The hair flips, the lighting out. Thank you for helping me with these lights. I'm going to show you guys where to get these lights on Amazon, how much they are. I like them so much. I went and bought 3 of them. So I'm going to be doing some crazy stuff in the coming photo shoots in my studio. So remember, guys, it's getting cold outside. Let those creative juices start to flow, man. Get out there and create. Get something nice, man. I would love to see what you guys create in your own homes. It's about to start snowing. It's gonna be too cold to be out there doing some on-location photography, and you gotta have some way to still feel that photography void. You still want to make money. You still want to do those photo shoots. So remember, get out there and find something. Go out there and look for some stuff to create and buy it and just throw it in there and see what it looks like. All right, that's what photography is all about. Just branching ideas, throwing out ideas, and finding some things that'll work for you. All right, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll show you where to get these lights set, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.